Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add more fingerprints on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now, if you have added your fingerprint to your Samsung phone, and if you want to add more fingerprints to your smartphone, first of all, just open Settings, then tap on Lock Screen and AOD. From here, tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics, then enter your lock screen PIN. Under Biometrics, just tap on Fingerprints. Then tap on Add Fingerprint. Now to register your fingerprint, just tap on the fingerprint icon at the bottom of the screen and then lift your finger when the circle is fully highlighted. Now just tap on Register, then press this fingerprint icon to register your fingerprint and lift your finger when the circle is completed. Just like that. Now once you have added your fingerprint, then you can tap on Add and you can add another fingerprint, or you can tap on Done. Now as you can see, we have successfully added 2 fingerprints. Just like that. And this is how you can add more fingerprints to the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.